Hi, I'm Tandy Petrov, the chemistry teacher and robotics coach at the amazing PD Jackson-Olin High School. I started off in 2017 when Dupe reopened. I was hired as the science teacher over there, and I was a science teacher for 7th through 12th grade for 7 years. During that time, we established our urban garden for restorative justice. We also started making our own makerspace where we were doing 3D printing and coding, and really just giving kids who'd been class 3 from, let's say, JO or some of the other schools around the district a chance to just be a kid again. And that was doing really well. So when we came over here, Mr. Daniel said, Tandy, I want you to do everything you're doing at Dupe, but in the eyes of chemistry and environmental science. This is my second year here at Mustang Nation. When they said, hey, we want to transfer you over to the school, he's like, okay, well, I guess we're going. And he said, do you want to come with me? And my first answer was, well, duh, of course I'm going to come with you. Mr. Daniel's the best principal I've ever worked for, only principal I've ever worked for, but still, when he transferred, I knew I was coming too, so. I love gardening. It's probably one of my favorite things in the entire world. So I knew that it's such a great way to not just have for social emotional support, but it's a great way to also have applied chemistry and have that hands-on moment. So since we're down that unit, I'm like, okay, well, here we go. AP chemistry, we're going to take over. And it's a good way to just show the kids not only what they're doing matters because they're creating the fertilizers. They're taking care of how much water needs to be added. They're looking at sunlight and they're looking at temperature. Today was one of those when you came out maintenance days. We had to go out and just weed and go water. But they were amazed at this one bed that we put better fertilizer on, and it's got that manure compost. It was growing everything. We're no longer teaching in a desk. We have to be hands-on. Well, that's what I hope I'm doing, because I want to be someone who inspires our kids to go off into the future, to be the next teachers, to be the next entrepreneurs or engineers or doctors, because they're the true unsung heroes. I'm here just facilitating the learning. I'm the one having fun and getting to design the lesson. But it's really them, because when you see these eyes open and you get to see them being kids, but they're having these epiphanies, that's the big part of this whole idea.